everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. This is a beginner tutorial in which we are going to learn how to work a slip knot and a chain stitch. Now we are going to start with the slip knot. I'm using cotton yarn here and the needle that I have is 3 millimeters. You can use any yarn and any needle that you're comfortable with. Now to get the slip knot, you first need to hold your yarn and wrap it around your 2 fingers like this. Now you need to take your hook and put it under your yarn here and pull this yarn into the circle that we just made around your fingers. And you have a knot. I'm going to do that one more time. You hold on to your yarn like this. Wrap the yarn around your finger. Put your hook under this part of your yarn and pull this through. And now you have your knot. So this is a slip knot that you would start most of your crochet projects with. Now after you have your slip knot, we're going to start working the chain. Now for that you need to hold on to this yarn in your other hand. Now there are different ways to hold this yarn. You can wrap it around your finger like this, or you can just hold it like this. Now I'm comfortable holding my yarn like this. Now once you've held on to this yarn, you need to hold this end, and with your hook you need to yarn over and pull through the slip knot. Again, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Now this is your chain. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. This is all you need to do to work a chain, and a chain is something that you will be starting a lot of your crochet projects with. It may be difficult in the beginning, but you need to keep practicing to work a perfect chain. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I would be teaching you how to work a single crochet. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.